sokale sibe no Shebe sibe Incoko with the legends.
Mulweni, welcome to Incoko with the legends. Host yako man, presenter, whatever. Ayabonga Klaas. Yeah, another episode, another legend, another inspiring story. It's a vision. If you've been following the journey, it's the same thing. This is a platform. It's a safe place. Who are living their dreams. Who are doing things with passion. Abantu who have did or are doing, finding yourself. Finding yourself, but still keep on finding him or herself each and every day. That has discovered that this is my role in life and this is how I'm going to move with this role. You understand? So, and share their stories. Is to encourage, is to appreciate guys, what you're doing, but any generation. So whenever you give up, you must also think about that generation. Namhlanje Leviticus Roaming Brands, studio Leviticus Roaming Brands, apho kwenza khona impahla, sihleli founder yalapha, sihleli initiator, umuntu omncinci kakhulu, but umuntu that has discovered himself. You understand? Ayabonga Klaas, molo futhi kunjani? Right, futhi mina ngokhona. Yeah, futhi wami ukuqala ukubulela to honor like invite, kakhulu, like to say thank you for that invite. Ubhuti ngubani, ubhuti uzabelephi nje, uhoyemaye kabhuti?
Molweni guys, mina Ayabonga Klaas. Ndikhulele ndazalelwa ke apha eDinari, umhlaba sekhaya nithi apho kuthiwa lobuhle. Mina ndifundile isifundo zami ndizenzele emelungu isifundo sezantsi, ndotsho ke high school yam ndatsho eGamble, then also naseMoli. After that ndagqibela High Street apho ndandisenza professional learning program college ke lento. So kulapho ke ndadiscover isha ba hey man, let me just leave this going and start learning.
So college wathatha ixesha ngana?
College ndandithatha unyaka
only, and after that you just decided. Yeah. So ufika nini, ufika njani ukuthi mna ndingumthungi, istrike ngilonke ebomini bakho to say wow, like to discover that I'm gonna go about this passion. Because for me, when I was like speakers, I'm looking around, I'm like wow, and I'm looking at you like your age, I'm like wow. So ifika nini ebomini bakho all this?
Le ndifikelele ngela xesha ndise college, and phana ke I was really ndandithanda impahla. Yabo, ndandithenga impahla ko-Mr Price, ko-Macams, ndiyitshintshe ndiredesign, and bendiyenza ngesandla impahla. Yabo, bendiyenza ngesandla. So i-classmates zam was so interested, and also ndandibaxelela ngoba no yenziwe ndim i-item elehlobo ndayijika to this. Yabo, so baba interested and non-supported kakhulu. So ndandisenza ezo sentana, and also I was trying to uzifundisa in terms of bus fare and all of that. Yeah. So ndaqomba man, I'm earning imali at least, yeah. So ndayeka ke njalo esikolweni because business, except that, and also umsebenzi wayemninzi, yabo, i-business asesikolweni. So I was in that position, hey man, mandithatha isikolo, yabo, mandizazi uba ndifuna ntoni, ndifuna isikolo okanye ndifuna loo nto nzanga. So ndathatha i-decision uba okay no, just going to so I can
Well, guys, I want you to catch this. What Aya, he was in between to say the founder or and then he decided, no, I'm going to play in the two. And when I put Aya, you know, that's the power. When you discover yourself, you know, when you discover yourself, you will know what to do with your life, and you will know your role in this universe. You know, so I'm like, then tailor-made, you know, when we were doing background check, I'm like, you are doing tailor-made product. So, tailor-made product, so I'm like, I want to take that. So, tailor-made products, yeah.
Yeah, like tailor-made, it's something kind of an item impahla eyenziwe from scratch, especially yenzelwe umuntu specific according to shape yakhe, according indlela amile ngayo, according indlela impahla ithanda ngakhona. Ubunguye actually, yabo express alone. So to say, like, it is very nice to wear impahla etailor-made other than uthenga impahla evenkileni ubuze ucutisa apha like wow yosize yakho ayisikela ngawe na specific. So tailor-made is a good clothing. Yeah.
So why go up against like what is normal, like ukuthenga impahla if you need to go why go like you know you tailor-made to say okay I'm gonna go clear route tailor-made? Why make that decision?
Like as Beben said, man, it's very simple and even easy that no man, I want into exactly and in terms of impahla and all of that, connect curves and also measurements as according to shape yakho. So that's why I get in situ, but it's very important to wear tailor-made.
Like
No, not at all. Like I've been through a lot clay industry, like that's fundela ngokwami, yabo, that's fundela ngokwami in terms of I got myself machine after ngiphume college, yabo, ngesa sendana ke mose ucutisa ibhuku esapho, ngasithengela la machine umncinci pha, yabo. So it's whereby ndaqonda amantshonga I need to learn how to use machine, and also if I can focus on esikolweni let me just focus on. So I checked out on YouTube how to use machine. Machine settings on YouTube and all of that. Alterations. Let me just trace and find a rule of impahla. I can do this. So I was tracing, hanging up, tracing, item. So that I develop.
So like like in terms of like clientele yako, how are people like being satisfied with your work? Like how are they receiving Leviticus Roaming Brands abantu like
mostly ngaske ngithathe le question ngela xesha ndangiqala ngalo until now, yabo. Ngela xesha ndangiqala ngalo ke footman, you know that I was learning and I was still a learner of learning actually. Mostly I was doing it for friends whereby I wasn't confident enough in the by and no I was like, yo, wasting my life and stuff. So I wanted to do for family members, friends. So yeah, I was getting support from Abanga. So in the yeah, they were so excited because of Abayas and it wasn't perfect. But at least the vision and everything is there. So nobody had to do after Unyaka, everything went so well. It was like depending. And more especially after Unyaka, tracksuits, a lot of things just after Unyaka. That's when I know this thing. i-farewell zingazithungela i-farewell ke unothatha nje because you have to look like classic because of like iyaqala omnye nomnye ayiqala u-experience ngalo so funeka abonakale bayaphi.
You know, guys, when you discover yourself, you talk like this.
Yeah.
You know, and I understand now. You know, but you started only doing it for your family, your friends, because it was a confidence thing.
Yeah.
Because you knew if I'm doing it for my friends, it would be nice. No, they will support. You know, but for you to get over that confidence thing, that's the power of knowing yourself. Of knowing the role, of also taking all of this, knowing that it's my passion. You know, guys, you should also like take points or take imfundiso up. You know, he's been battling that's the thing you find yourself with Aya. You don't only find or discover yourself only today, but it's a fight of everyday job, like so that you don't lose yourself. Especially if whatever land or it's you. Then you keep on fighting, it's a fight, you must keep that attitude. You understand? Guys, I'll put in I'll be a little bit.
Sibele Incoko with the legends. Sibele Incoko with the legends.
Welcome back. Episode 2 Incoko with the legends. Guys, ningalibali ku YouTube page yethu Nyamenda Productions. Ungene kuyo man, views, you know, subscribe. No, xa subscribe guys, akoma lithatwayo. Here yeke lo information enjalo ngathi xa subscribe ukima la akoma lithatwayo tu udaya. Ofokole imali lithatwayo. No, give us comments guys if you kindawo nifuna us improve kuyo. You know, Incoko with the legend, it's not only for us, it's for everyone.
Yeah.
You know, Facebook Incoko with the legend page, follow the page, to like, you know, give us the comments. You know, if you come to or when some type of an impact like this society, you know, in all walks of life. Look at the put iron when some tongue put and he's making an impact for Umdomsha. You understand? So if Mukon will come, guys, you know, she says Leviticus we go to end our menzakuza, but now much never want to see Yakuba because the spaces up. You understand? Sisisahleli no put aya, you know, uqalele ubhuti ba ukhulele phi wafunda phi, and then he had to make a decision that do I go with education or do I go with my dream? And that's the thing with the vision, put one. Vision yakho ngophila kuyo. And you know, a lot of people will never understand it. And they don't have to understand it because it's you, it's yours. You understand? For you to say that I have to put things into scale, that's you saying, taking ownership. You know, this is not normal. Like should wants to 6'2" or 210 or 8'5", whatever. But for you to say no, I'm gonna go up against that, I'm gonna do what landing dancer in Nikki Peace, landing Bangalore, you know. So like I'm like from uqala kwakho, you know, Leviticus or Tunga kwakho to now to date. You know, do you think that you're on the right track? Like a vision, yeah?
Ngokubona kwami nobhuti wami izinto ke zimanga ngokwenzeka apha endleleni, uyabo, uplan into ethile ke all to find out wenze enye noma kingi ke ayenzekile, but ke the main thing ndisekule ndawo okanye ndisekule ndlela I thought myself that I will follow, uyabo, sonsama lamgaqomnye akho nto imoshileyo kakhulu, uyabo. Yeah, injalo Putwa.
So you know Putwam, you know a journey you're by entrepreneur. This is you are being an entrepreneur. You know, each journey you're by entrepreneur, we should understand it. It's like committing to a partner. It's like marrying. You know, I was listening and any interview on new businessman. I said, you know, if you can't stick to one partner, you can't do business.
Just like we play, you having a lot of girlfriends. Like you can't maintain like girlfriend one. You are weak.
So basically what land with the journey it's never gonna be easy. I'm talking from experience. You know, I started my business 2014 and it's 8 years now. But what keeps me going is always remembering why did I start this. You know, also attitude that I have to keep in order for a company to run. So I'm like, you know, passion, you know, uthando lento, but that's what matters. You know, forget what people say about you, but you out here, but you doing it. And you live in your dream. Abanye abantu abaphila wawo amaphupho, abanye abantu are being taken and bafezekisa abanye amaphupho, you know. So like, but in terms of like pricing, how do you do that? I'm not saying like break it down. Like how do you? Yeah.
Indaba ye pricing, a lot of clients they do understand. Yabo. Indlela price ngayo ke we start according to item wefunayo. Yabo. You can send us item if ever you don't have the item at all in Yako, I'm gonna design for you from scratch according to indlela ngayo and try to finalize and keep on step by step. Okay, singathi ngosingasebenzisa materiality and also imality. So we're starting from the amount of material. Yabo. From the amount of material, then I calculate indo and throughout the item. Yabo. So indo, I'm gonna need buttons, I'm gonna need linings, fabrics, and the malini meters. Yabo. Then I get the final price by Malitil. I charge my labor on top of the price. That is how you get your price. Yako.
So, like in terms of like a future, what can we expect from Leviticus Roaming Brands? Like how in 5 years' time, in terms of?
Yeah, that's a good question, and also that question about money. Like I have abanabai to abana desire, and also I always inspire them that guys must amazing, like ningayibona lindawo. It's a back and everything, but vision maingabi kule ndawo sikuyo. Yabo, I hope maingabi kule ndawo sikuyo. Like I'm planning into enkulu guys. Yabo. Like what I'm thinking, yabo, I don't want to move out application lab. Yabo. I don't want to move out application lab. No, that's not my plan. My plan is to buy a property. Yabo. Applikas in lab, like, yeah, God is alive, can do anytime. And go so boom, but it also goes like hardworking. So the plan is to buy a property, invest in property, the ends according to indlela and finance. And also want to build buildings and zone container material. Yes, triple stairs, even if I buy probably is in Z3, can be a Ponana, Matanzi, Majesty area, crowded. So there's a low and fine Kyokabandu, Ulucha, on Dizal, Fundisa, Utunga, Yabon to be in a classroom, Tibafun Sutungi, Utunga, and also maybe get 2 acres from there. So I'm trying to build around Injal and will come to pass.
No, how ufika njani kwigama like Little Leviticus?
Elgama kodmani yami business yami ndayiqala serious from the time ndiqala ungena icawa. Yebo. Ngani ngomjito khonza njita nje yabo to friends and hang out. But not join icawa and it's only things that change, and also that believe about God is alive. So for my picking, I quoted the Gama Leviticus. I didn't even notice or can you take a look of it definition but also verse and everything. But the commitment and manual come and the husband the time. So now Puma like our telling man pie. Ikawen wenza graphic designs yabo ba mam nanam kunelgama apha and I'm planning of branda into endiyenza ngegama yabo, and also we create a logo kwangalamini kanye ngicawa saphuma yabo saza kuma studio like studio sound that time no nansemkhile ke mos yabo utyana nje so haza lamjita sa lamnike laptop wabetha ke mos ndathi kazame mani andiyazi basenza ntoni azame ezininzi eziloka amana zikogrela that okay Joe, how about dandibe plays at that time, how about we do ilaphele plays if you take a note of la log and salo change ngoku binga recognize oqala by ndo so it was ilaphele ikhola le blazer yabo yeah so it defines like formality. I really like formal wear man to look classic and also to look neat. Yeah, that is my vision. Yeah, but like a range is to do imbahle formal, classic. Just for now, I'm doing it tailor-made, but especially you will see my range where I'm shop, but I'm doing classic wear, very different classic wear.
And you must catch this guy. He like the shades. The future is bright. That's why he had to like put them on.
Yeah.
You know? So when I put one, you know, it kind of like designer like ochonga kuyo in terms of like inspiration.
Rodman, I don't want to lie. Like ukala kwam and also for now, I could designer like in inspiration and stuff. Yeah, but like I follow my own way. Yeah, but like I come and talk. I don't want to talk sell and I'm the tiba. I'm a Rodman designer like anyanya man. Like I want to follow myself. I want to find out doing by that's all.
Listen to that, guys. Listen to that, and you know he's speaking from the heart. He say I want to talk and say because most about is that I'm looking up to that person, but him saying no, I'm just following my heart. You know, Putuam like in closing, Putuam, you know, Silulu Chapu, you know, and what you're doing is big. You know what you're doing, you're inspiring. You know, no. For you also to say there is a reason for that, you know, like like ngamazwi nje ambalwa Putuam like umuntu obukelele interview othi wow ubumbami ubustuck, you know, I don't know what to do, you know, I'm in depression because of andiyazi bamantini like kathethe naye njengamazwi ambalwa Putuam like, you know.
Yeah, guys, like to all my understanding, yabo, song is sawenza maphutha, yabo, song is sangena kama and stuff and find ourselves by emancy singabe sazi ba singene njani. So to ukucebisa and also kwizinto ezenzekayo especially apha eDinarha ke kuyakuthanda utywala lapha i-groove and everything, yabo, but ke if ever umuntu ngamntu like I found out that yena ungubani kanye in terms of isakhono anaso and everything and try to follow his skills sakhe, yabo, and fulfill. And you know guys, let's not forget about Uthixo, yabo. Let's try to pray with the problems zethu. Like guys, Uthixo is alive, yabo. He will heal you according to ingakonari, yabo, uzakunceda. Try to believe and also try to uzixelela bani yabo ngoku I'm gonna pray. Don't pray in such a way of abanye abantu bayathandaza, yabo, thandaza. Uthixo is alive. Uthixo like will help situation ukuyo, yabo. Thina sinokwazi ukunceda, singakwazi ukucebisa, singakwazi ukumotivate, but there's no way. If ever ufuna wena, there's no one will force you to change your mind. Nguwe umuntu ozichange ingqondo. So just pray the problem yakho uzazi ufuna ntoni and try to find usebenzele, yabo, sebenzele, funa usebenzele.
You know, but I am the and I'm listening to your story, you know, like okokuqala kukubulela Putuam, you know, again for an invite to honor like you invite Incoko with the legends, you know, and for you also share the story sakho. You know, I believe it like it's your first time like when you could platform like to share your story, you know. And that's the whole point of it, is to abantu baselegend share their story, share their journey, challenges zabo, throughout izinto abazenzayo. Thank you, bhuti wami. Guys, nali bali kabhuti Aya. Umuntu omncinci kangaka, guys, but who's living his dream. And the way future yakhe bright akasakwazi noyijonga like ngo-normal eyes. He had to funeka soloko uthezana. Like I might be saying that as a joke, but I'm listening like to a vision yakho, like for it's one thing that having a dream, but it's one thing also creating your own dream. What you're doing, that you've created your own dream. Once you create your own dream, you are able to control it.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Because I'll call but that dream was created by you. Leviticus branding, it's you. Guys, check here. Yonke lento uthi put Aya, nobody on funsileyo. And guys, you should understand this. Not all of us put Aya will have to go to university. All of us will work. Other people like Abafana no put Aya will have to discover themselves and find out, wow, I have to deal, because and I can bet you it's like when a cow pick up, you are talking. It talks to you. You understand? And that's your vision yako putwam, and no one will ever understand the connection yako no machine. Guys, number one, find yourself. You understand? After usifumene, once usifumane uzazi ba mna ndiyintoni yothini, you will know your role. You will know why I'm here in this universe. You will be like uput Aya, not like when the lenda yenza, but you will know that umna apa ndingumthungi, and I'm happy with that. Don't mind ba wenza malini, but as long as you're happy na londo le. You understand? Also like government, ufuna investor in property. Government, you should look at abantu abanjini. I'm listening ngokuthethayo sithi kubantu abangincedisayo, for you to say that awuthi no abantu obaqeshileyo. You understand? Because you know that no abantu also they are here are investing also in business. They are asoka baqeshi bam. So guys, come on, nali. We're trying by all means to bring abantu bazilegend, guys, so that we can get inspired. It's never over. It's never over. Usaphefumula, why you can say it's over? Utuput, also kolelwe, and also believe. Once usazi, you will believe in yourself, and also understand that your journey is your journey. Our journey is fana. You understand, guys? What else to say now?
And also, guys, I want to request you. Funa abantu abane-passion, man, abantu abazixelelayo okanye abazixeleleyo hey man, ndiyayithanda impahla, but I can give it try ndithuke. Ndiyabafuna abo bantu, ndiyabafuna really. I was trying to give the social platform that I'm looking for abantu abakwazi uthunga, but I didn't get a response, and also I'm looking forward to ufumana abo bantu. So please guys, try to contact Leviticus Roaming Brands to do a Facebook page if you are interested in this, and also you can try and WhatsApp us 071 009 3325 071 33 3325.
Guys, legend, and he's not only saying this dream is only mine, but he's like, I want also to bring other people. Listen, we will close it in clip nje kaka DJ Sbo. Listen to that clip, maybe you'll get inspired and understand that don't rush your journey, enjoy it. Don't rush your journey. It's never been easy. Uchuput, it's not easy, but he's not rushing it because he believes in it. Believe in yourself.
That's true.
Facebook page, guys, Incoko with the legends. Page, follow, like, sneaky comments, guys. If abantu abafana no put ayabanja benze impact, sizawuza kubo share stories zabo. Sabona episode ezayo, guys.
You are young, though. Go through the process. Don't be jacking things. Jacqueline a Mercedes. You want to be driving a BMW. Oh, don't rush the process. Don't rush the process. Don't compete with other children. Let them buy their BMWs. It's fine. Concentrate on your own journey. Run your own race. Run your own race, my friend.
Incoko with the legend.